What's going on, car people of this world? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another beautiful day here in New Jersey. Today we are working more on the Lexus LS 430. Last time we got it running and oh my gosh, I am loving this car. This thing is absolutely amazing. Before I describe what we're going to be getting done to this car today, let's talk a little bit just about the vision I have for this car in general. Obviously we have my LS 460 here sitting right in front of the 430. This car, it shouldn't be like this if you couldn't tell. It shouldn't be loud, it shouldn't be slammed, it shouldn't be anything it is, and that's why I absolutely love it. It's so much fun and I really wouldn't change it for the world, but I really don't think I need two of them. I am going to 100% keep this as classy and luxury VIP build as much as I possibly can. This is low, it's scary to go over speed bumps. Any pothole in the road you have to completely dodge. This car, on the other hand, is driving on a cloud, budget Rolls Royce, absolute elegance. You have double thick glass pane on this car because it's the ultra luxury version. It's so quiet, you can hardly hear any road noise. It's a totally different experience and I absolutely love that. So we're not going to be making this car loud. That I can say for certain. But yes, we're still going to be doing things to this car. We're definitely going to get some new wheels for it. These wheels are, you know, not looking so great. They're quite chipped and just like corroded over time. And these, or the type of wheel this is, I know that you actually can't paint these without some serious work done. So I'm thinking we're gonna get some new wheels. I'm not the biggest fan of those massive 5 spokes anyway. I think that it would look a little bit better with something else. But today, we are going to be trying to restore the paint as much as possible. We can see here that it's just super, super oxidized. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it's very foggy. Doesn't look great. We have lots of scrapes everywhere. Obviously, we're not going to get the whole car done today, but we're going to get started on it. I really have no idea what I'm doing here. I did watch a couple YouTube videos on how to properly deoxidize paint. So as far as I know, I'm doing this correctly. But we're going to start with the Meguiar's Ultimate Compound on the orbital polisher here with these polishing pads. And we're just going to start trying to work all of this oxidization out. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We have a clay bar coming on its way right now. We're gonna hit it with a clay bar first, and then we'll get right to it. Here he is, the guy with our clay bar. It's good, boss man.
Bro, how you been?
Good to see you. How are you?
Paint correction. Let's
go. Awesome. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I'm gonna try to get this moved so you can park in the driveway. So we just got the clay bar. We're going to work on we'll just work on the hood today because
yeah, it's a pretty big part of the car.
Yeah. Oh shoot.
Good job.
Alright, so we pulled it into the garage a little bit so we can get a little bit more shade. And here we go. Alright, here goes that. Oh no! Sorry, that's good.
Always go back to where you started to grab more, and you can always go back to there. Good point. Kind of slower, so. I can already tell it looks better. It does, yeah.
Just my luck, the orbital just blew up as we were about to turn it back on. So I just tried doing it with my hand, like just scrubbing it in circles, and it really didn't come off nearly as well. So I think what we're gonna try to do is either run to AutoZone and pick up a whole new orbital, or see if we can just grab another top, because the hand method, while it would work,
it would work. It would be quite tedious.
It'd take forever, and my hand hurts so bad already. So we'll see. Look who it is! So we got to run over to Advanced real quick to pick up either a whole new orbital or a new head to this thing because it just blew up. Actually, we're gonna take the LS 430 because why not? It's the star of today's show. You guys have already seen what the LS 460 sounds, looks like, whatnot. Just got the startup going. Yo, Ed, you wanna back it out real quick? Let's take a look at it going into the sun. Because even though we haven't had like a lot done to it, it actually looks so much better already. It's quite crazy. Oh my gosh, it actually looks so much better, dude. Holy cow. So now you can just see all of the actual blemishes in the paint. You guys can't even see it. Wow, it looks so much better. As compared to like the roof, as soon as Ed will stop driving away from me here. This looks absolutely incredible. We have just like the paint scratches now, but most of the oxidization is gone. Whereas you can see up here, we have so much oxidization. So we're gonna hop in and we'll catch up with you guys there. Couldn't find anything else for this one, so we put the whole new one. Hopefully this one shouldn't blow up at all. We're getting chauffeured today. Hopping in the back of the LS 430. Oh. Drive me home, Reginald. All right. Let's see, so here we got the brand new one because
Acquired a new one.
The one that I just bought broke. So we bought a whole new one. Oh no. Oh, okay, thank the Lord.
Oh, that's a wave. Wow,
Yeah,
that
this
thing
is
is huge.
big,
Yeah,
dude.
it's bigger.
Yeah, this is gonna get a lot of surface area.
Nice.
Then.
Other one was like 3, maybe
The other
even.
one was 3 inches, I think, or was the 3 or 4 inch
Yeah.
model? What do we got here?
Oh, nice. That's a pencil pouch for school.
Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is for if you break it.
Boom,
like
slaps
that.
right on. Ain't going nowhere. Right, the process will begin. See how this goes.
So we just hit the whole hood with the Ultimate Compound, and then we just started using the Ultimate Polish pre-waxing glaze on it as well. So we're gonna back it out and take a look at what it looks like here in the sun, because it really looks so much better. I can't believe how well it looks, or how good it looks. There's just a lot of these really deep watermarks, almost, is what it looks like, and we don't really know how to get them out. Dude, it looks so much better.
Better, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks incredible on camera. It doesn't look that good in person, trust me. Yeah, you see all of that? Like, that's what we're trying to work with, and I don't know if that's, like, I have no idea what it is. But look at what it used to look like, guys. This is what it used to look like. And this is what we're rocking with now. So it's definitely working really well. Yeah, we're just gonna have to keep chipping away at it. But again, let me know, leave your comments. I'd love some more advice because, you know, I still don't know what I'm doing. So check that out. We literally just, I mean, poor Blaze, man. He's been sitting here trying to tell me, he's been sitting here trying to tell me to do the headlights like the whole time he's been here, and I've been holding off. But we accidentally hit the top of the headlight, and wow, we ran it over. It looks so good.
Yep.
You want to hit this one real quick?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. This hood looks, I mean, just so much better.
Crazy. That's crazy.
Look at that. The camera doesn't even know that it's a reflection. Oh my goodness, that's incredible. I'm excited to see that that's how it turned out. We're just gonna be chipping away the panels one little bit at a time. I don't even think I've showed you guys that I do have a motorcycle, Kawasaki 650. I'm actually selling it too, so if you want it, let me know on Instagram, and maybe we can get it over to you. Anyway, we'll see what we take. But in the meantime, let's take a look at Ed polishing up the other light over here. Boys, check this out. I mean, the camera it makes it look a whole lot better than it does in person, but at the same time, it looks so much better. I mean, you can still see, let's see if we can get some polarization going here. There you go. You can still see, especially in the shadows there, like we have a decent amount of imperfections still. Like just little scratches and paint chips.
The fender and the hood are like, pick it up. It's really oxidized and hazy on the fender. And the
yeah.
It's a whole different color.
Like the oxidization is gone. There's no oxidization. But there's
some water spots.
Yes, there's water spots, there's scratches and whatnot, and we hit this thing with a compound, what, three times?
4 times, yeah.
So we're gonna have to do a little bit more of a deep dive into how to get those scratches out. The headlights are looking great. We also hit the headlights on the LS 460. So I would say it's a major win that we purchased this thing. I'll tell you that, because doing that all by hand definitely is not the move.
Almost a whole day.
Yeah, no, not at all. So, well, thank you boys so much for your help.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it, boss. And yeah, we're gonna have to just keep coming back like once a week, and we'll just keep doing.
Like the different.
Yeah, we'll just keep going panel by panel. Super thankful that we purchased that. That's gonna make the roof super easy to get done as well. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. And again, you want this bike? Hit me up. We'll make something happen. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video when we continue to restore the paint on the LS 430. Peace.